everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be another taste test video. Super excited about that. This is my boyfriend Mike. We love doing these taste tests, they're so much fun. So this is the Yum Yum box from Universal Yums. This is the October box, and what Universal Yums is a snack subscription box, and basically you can get 1 month or you can get an ongoing subscription. Every month is a different country. So this time we're trying snacks from Russia. So really excited about this. Let's see what's inside.
Yeah, that's kind of hefty.
Yeah. There's 3 sizes of the box. There's the, I forget what they're called, but this is the medium size, the Yum Yum box. I will put a link in the description if you'd like to check it out yourself.
Do you want me to give an overview?
Sure.
Okay, so here's our Russia box again, and like always, we get a nice little map with fun facts, a little place in the back to rank our things, and
yep, we do a number system. 1 is best, 2 is middle, and 3 is worst.
Right. I read this from cover to cover, right? So I'm going to be
Mike was researching
hopefully interjecting
last night, yeah.
some interesting facts about the snacks. It's pretty interesting. They actually put a lot of work, I think, into this book. You know, it's kind of interesting. You get a sticker, right? Your planning friends will like this. Think you can use that, maybe?
Sure. I can use it in my planner.
What does it say? The home of the world's longest railroad.
All right.
I'm sure there'll be plenty of opportunities to use that one.
All right, so let me take the scorecard, and I will be keeping score. In this, it kind of tells you like the order of the snacks that you're supposed to be eating. It takes you on like a flavor journey. So
right.
Let's start.
Number 1, what is the boiled milk chocolate cake?
That is what it looks like. There's a baby.
And it says in here that that's like one of the most famous faces in Russia next to Putin.
Really?
Alyanka, right? That's her name.
Is it?
It's very famous according to this.
So we're going to take a little piece of this each because Allie's going to want to taste some of this too.
Boiled milk chocolate cake.
It's kind of soft.
It is soft like cake.
But it's kind of dry.
It's good.
It's all right. I mean, it's...
Wait, is that Allie's?
I feel like...
more.
No, you can have more.
I'm like starving.
We didn't eat it today.
We didn't eat it. Well, you ate.
Little.
It's delicious.
So, I don't know. I'm giving that a 2. You're giving it a 1?
That's a 1.
There's something in it. It tastes like...
It's not real sweet.
It reminds me...
It kind of tastes like some type of...
liqueur.
Or...
Yeah. It tastes like there's liqueur in here.
No,
like some...
like a Drake's.
Oh, I thought you said drinks.
No. All right. I like it. I think
it does. It's like a Drake's kind of...
Not overly sweet.
I'm not a huge fan,
Very
but
good.
you know, it's all right.
Ooh, this one I'm looking forward to. And Mary Ellen, surprisingly, is not. It's the chocolate with the pear. Ripe pear milk chocolate. Like
Is
a
that
pear
focusing
cream,
on
I
that?
guess. Huh?
I don't know if... We were testing the camera last night to see if it would focus on the food, but I don't know that it did. So if it didn't, sorry.
Oh, this looks good. It's like a Cadbury, but with
Oh, so it's got
pear. I think so.
gooey pear filling? That might be good. I don't know. I don't really like fruit with my chocolate. Ugh! Whew.
Thank you.
You didn't think it.
Sorry. Next time. It's tart.
The chocolate is really good.
It's tart like a raspberry filling.
Yeah, if you like, you know, fruit filling. Like
Are you getting a pear flavor though?
a little.
A little.
It's not as pearish as I thought it would be.
I think the chocolate is really good, like Cadbury. That's a 1.
The chocolate's really good. I'm giving it a 2. Mike likes everything, so.
No, I don't. No, I'm being honest.
No,
Okay.
you do typically like more foods than a lot of people do. That's all I'm saying.
Okay. So now we have some potato chips, right? Cheese potato chips. They call potatoes the devil's apple in Russia.
Wow. I wonder why. That's weird.
Because they didn't come over until like 1700s from the U.S. according to this. And I guess they're all kind of weird shaped and whatnot.
What kind is this? Cheese?
Mm-hmm.
They're good. But they also taste like something you could get in America.
Can't tell the difference. Typical cheese potato chip. They're good.
They're good. They're a little saltier than our chips, don't you think? Slightly saltier. I do love a good chip.
I'm giving that a 2 because it's good, but I mean, really, that.
But you should. I feel like you should judge it on like how good it is and not how like international it feels. Don't you think? I'm gonna give it a 1 because I do think. Well, no. You know what? I'm giving it a 2 as well. Only because it's a little saltier than I'd like.
I think we have to take the internationalness and difference into consideration.
Maybe.
White chocolate hazelnut cream wafer. Okay.
It's all in Russian. I have no idea what that says, but let's see how good it tastes. Okay.
Ooh, that looks different.
Mm.
Wow.
That's yummy.
That's the best.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, what are those cookies I like? My
Nutter
mom
butters?
always get these Nutter Butters. Peanut butter sheets, you know, and you break off a piece.
This tastes like a Nutter Butter,
But
except
the filling, there's more filling.
those are good. I give that a 1. I know you gave it a 1.
Oh, that's the best. That's a 1. So now we go to, sometimes they kind of package a couple of like hard candy stuff in a yum yum bag, right? Exotic fruit jellies. Ripe mango, blackcurrant mint, and strawberry pepper.
I only see 2 kinds here.
I know. Very sweet.
Little like
Texture is,
mango cleaning product.
Really soft texture. We have similar stuff, but
yeah, it's like a little Windex vibe.
Windex.
A little bit. Which one is this?
Blackcurrant mint and strawberry pepper, I guess. That's good.
Yeah, that's different.
Has a mint background. That's good. If you don't like those soft kind of.
Yeah, it tastes like you're
jellies,
eating candy
you're
and
not
then
gonna like
like chew a little bit of a mint leaf with it. Not bad. Or like a mojito. I'm giving that like a 2.
I'll give it a 2. Coconut white hazelnut balls. What is the hazelnut balls? A lot of people eat. What do they call them?
What?
You know, like rochets or I don't know.
It's like I know what you're talking about.
Lots of white chocolate, lots of coconut.
It's pretty good.
I think that's a 1.
I think I'm still giving it a 2.
I'm like starving though.
I'm saving. See, I feel like your numbers are a little
that's
off
good.
because you're so hungry. I think it's a little too sweet for me. Like it's very, very sweet. Like a little too much. That's why I'm giving it 2. Okay, so now it's Bumble's turn to do a taste test. So we have 3 treats.
Beef jerky. Bumble's maybe her favorite. Bumble, look, bacon and cheese. Bacon and cheese stick. And this, a cookie. That's a big cookie.
Come here.
Put it right there.
Leave it.
Okay. The cook, try the cookie.
She doesn't want anything to do with the cookie.
Oh, she took 2.
Oh my Bumble!
Oh, I've been waiting for this one. Bully mushroom bread bites.
Oh yeah, these look good.
According to this, mushroom picking is Russia's most popular pastime. Do you believe that?
No. I do not believe that. I believe that Russia's most popular pastime is probably like...
It says like, kids
like
mushroom pick.
No. Kids are sitting on TikTok in Russia. They're not mushroom picking. Sorry. If you're Russian, let me know if picking mushrooms is like an actual big deal there.
I always wanted to learn how to pick mushrooms. My grandparents, come from Poland and that area. They used to
pick mushrooms there too.
Kind of scary though. Those are good. We don't have anything like that. I wonder, is that
really
an
good.
actual mushroom or is it like, a potato base?
It tastes a little potato-ish.
And it says croutons, but that's kind of what they like.
They're not, yeah, but they're not as hard as croutons. They're like a gentle crunch.
They'd be good in a salad. But they're good.
I do like these.
Okay.
I'm giving these a 1.
Nut and milk chocolate wafer. It seems like every country has lots of wafers.
Wafers,
right?
yeah. I mean, if there was an American box, I'm not sure it would have wafers in it.
I don't know if
But
that's focusing. We're not.
we're still getting used to the new camera, you guys. Mike's been working hard with the new camera.
Looks good. Look at that. Russian soft crust.
Oh, you'll like that. It's like, because it's going to taste sort of like peanut buttery.
I love it.
I'm still going to give it a 2.
Well, I don't know. That's not different. I bought a box of Little Debbie, kind of like this, peanut butter chocolate. Mm-hmm. And you didn't eat it. It sat in your refrigerator for...
I don't really like, yeah, that's why I'm giving it a 2. Like, I can appreciate that it tastes good, but I don't love like peanut buttery or nut tasting like snacks and stuff. That's not really. Except Reese's peanut butter cups, which are not like delicious.
It's not real different, but very good. Now this is different.
Yeah, look at that. It's heavy. That's why the box was so heavy. This thing is like a brick. What is it?
Orange marmalade, cinnamon, Prionic.
You hear that?
Okay. Russian gingerbread.
Oh, okay. Well, gingerbread's heavy. Whoa. Whoa, it's got like the logo on it.
That's cool.
That's really cool. It's gigantic. Look how big it is compared to my face. Smell it.
Gingerbread, all right.
It smells like those, those scented markers? The cinnamon one, the brown one. If you guys know, do you remember? What are they called? Mr. Sketch or something like that? I can't believe you don't know those. Maybe it was a girl thing. Anyway.
I don't think you got to the meat of it.
I feel like it tastes like it too.
I think you have to break it in half.
Wait, is there stuff inside?
Look.
Oh, there's a filling. That's enjoyable. You know why? Because it's sweet, but it's kind of a subtle sweet. I like that.
There you go.
It's very different than anything I've tasted here.
Stelladora breakfast treat.
Oh, yeah.
Filling in it. A little softer. Very good.
Yeah, I like that.
Almond white chocolate bar. Now that looks like a quality item there.
Oh, yeah.
What do you think?
Let me see. Oh, it's heavy. It feels good. Like, the packaging feels smooth and good. It's really good. I like the packaging.
That's got to be good, right? I mean...
Yeah, look at those almonds.
1. I give it a 1.
You have to taste it first.
There's no way it's bad.
It takes a while for the flavor to hit you. That's why we're not talking, right?
Mm-hmm. I'm trying to, yeah. It's not
now
quite
it's,
what you
now
expect.
it's hit me. When you first bite into it, it tastes like almost nothing. But then the flavor hits you after that. That's weird.
It's not a real strong white chocolate
No,
flavor.
it's not
it's good.
It's not like the white chocolate we have here. And what are you giving this?
I'm giving it a 2.
Yeah, me too.
It's good.
Nothing's a 3 so far. In all the other boxes, I've had 3s so far. So everything's pretty good.
Barbecued, this might be a 3 for you.
Why? What is it?
Well, it's barbecued chips.
Well,
but
how can they be bad?
Because
is there like weird meat in them?
There might be lamb flavor.
Oh, I don't hate lamb. I've had lamb before and enjoyed it, but it's sometimes I don't. You know, wine works better in between to cleanse my palate than water.
Too early.
It's too early for wine. It's only like 3 o'clock.
Kind of bland.
The flavor is very subtle, but it's also kind of an interesting flavor, one that I have not tasted, so I'm not sure what's in here. I'm going to give it a 2, though.
Yeah, I'll give it a 2. Strawberry caramel vanilla gummies.
Strawberry caramel vanilla. What I've noticed in these boxes, like, A lot of them have gummies in them, like as one of the things. Do you think that a box from the United States to the other country would have gummies? I guess so. I guess gummies are big here.
Maybe a lot of gummies.
Maybe gummies are big everywhere. Strawberry, vanilla, and what? What was the third thing?
Caramel. Oh, so that's
maybe
caramel.
I had caramel. Yeah, I had caramel.
It's a little different.
Yeah. They're a little hard to chew as far as gummies go. They're a little gummier than our gummies.
Tough, yeah.
The vanilla was tough.
Strawberry. All right. They're gummies. I mean,
Allie will like these.
They're not overly sweet.
I'm not really a fan.
They're good.
I'm actually going to give it a 3, I think, because I mean, 3 is supposed to be, I don't need this in my life. And a lot of these I really don't need in my life, but.
Yeah. All right, I'll give that a 3.
I'm giving it a 3. I'm not.
Now that you put it that way.
I don't really like the flavor that much.
What's last?
So this one I've been looking forward to the most because these are orange and vanilla shortbread.
In Russia, according to this, they eat a lot of oranges at Christmas time.
Oh.
Because I think it was, I guess, rarer back
well, oranges are
in days past.
Definitely more in season in the winter. I don't know what Christmas weather in Russia is. I assume cold.
Oranges are more in season in the winter?
Well.
They are?
Well, no, I guess oranges.
Depends where you're at.
Oranges here are like, I guess I say that because in the summer there's so many other fruits, but in the winter, like the only thing is like oranges and grapes and apples that are in season. You know what I mean? I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong. These are really thin.
Wow, they are.
Look how thin that is. I do enjoy a crispy cookie more than chewy.
Looks like a very thin shortbread.
Mm-hmm.
With hints of orange. Good. Really good.
Yeah.
Thin and crispy. What do you think?
I think it's really good. I think I'm still going to give it a 2 because it's not as flavorful as I would like. It's a little bland compared. Even though shortbread in general is bland, but even for shortbread, that's a little less flavor than the usual shortbread.
I like so crispy and thin, and I do taste the subtle background orange flavor. It's a one.
Okay. So overall, I think that this was a really good box. Like, there was nothing gross in it or anything like that, which maybe that was disappointing for you folks, you know, because it's always fun to see people eat gross stuff, but I'm sure in future boxes we will get something that I can't stand.
Yeah.
Like the shrimp roll, the first box.
As far as the manual goes, top rate.
So thanks for tuning in. Again, there will be a link in the description box if you want to try a box for yourself. It's just fun to do. I'm going to leave.
Wait, trivia question.
Oh, gosh.
Russia is roughly the same size as A, Africa, B, the moon, C, the Pacific Ocean, or D, Pluto.
That's ridiculous. How can you compare countries to planets? Pluto.
Yes. Good job. Wow.
I know. Okay. I was not a guess. I thought through that question.
Got it.
All right. Thanks, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please give it a like. And I will see you in the next one.
Goodbye, everybody.
Have a good day. Bye. Mike likes everything, so.
No, I don't. No, I'm being honest. It's good. They're good. That's good.
They're a little off.
Good. Those are good. I love it.
I like that.
That's got to be good. There's no way it's bad.
It's not
it's good.
It's not
good. Really good.
Yeah.
Wow.
That's yummy.
That's the best.